We have some breaking news coming in. A lookout notice issued against Chanda Kochhar. CBI has issued a lookout notice against former ICICI chief Chanda Kochhar. This is a lookout notice issued by the CBI. We're waiting for more details on the exact modalities of this particular notice that has been served to Chanda Kochhar. But this is with regards to the conflict of interest issue that was in fact that Chanda Kochhar was charged with. Bhavtosh Singh joining us with more information. Bhavtosh, can you share with us inputs on what exactly the lookout notice says? What is the reason that Chanda Kochhar has been made to face with this?
Officially, Afrida, CBI is maintaining that this is a normal procedure thing, that in any case of banking fraud or financial fraud, they generally issue lookout circular against the suspects. But this is very important because Chanda Kochhar was in fact one of the most prominent faces of the banking sector and also was rated as among the top bankers in the world by several financial dailies. The fact that this lookout circular has been issued against her would be a big embarrassment for the Kochhars. The CBI on its part have maintained that they are probing this case because in past many of the key or high-profile suspects like Vijay Mallya and even Nirav Modi have fled the country. This has been done since 2018 that all the key players involved in any financial fraud, there would be lookout circular against them. Chanda Kochhar, Deepak Kochhar and Venugopal Dhoot will soon be called in for questioning by CBI. In fact, a few weeks back, the Enforcement Directorate also filed a case of money laundering against them and had sought documents from ICICI Bank. CBI maintains that the 64 crore loan that was given by Venugopal Dhoot to Deepak Kochhar was nothing but a bribe amount after Chanda Kochhar cleared a loan of 3,500 crore rupees to a Videocon group of companies.
Right. Now, when we say that there is this lookout notice, what exactly would be the implications for Chanda Kochhar herself? Because typically in a case like this, there are certain restrictions on traveling abroad. Will it mean curbing the movements of Chanda Kochhar to a certain extent?
What it means is that if and when Deepak Kochhar or Chanda Kochhar plans to leave the country or even go on any kind of personal visit, the immigration authorities have asked to detain them. And once they are detained, then CBI will be informed that Chanda Kochhar and Deepak Kochhar are leaving the country. It virtually means that you can't leave the country because your passport number is shared with immigration authorities, and immigration authorities are told to detain that particular individual against whom the lookout circular has been issued.
Right, and this is in context with the CBI booking Chanda Kochhar in the ICICI Bank-Vodafone corruption case. An inquiry panel headed by former Supreme Court Judge B. N. Srikrishna had found that she violated the lender's code of conduct and the framework for dealing with conflict of interest. Now CBI has issued a lookout notice against Chanda Kochhar. Thanks very much, Bhavtosh, for joining us with your information on this.